Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fold the rear seats down on an Acura RDX. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is the back of an Acura RDX. Just for reference standpoint, this is a 2021 RDX A-Spec. But most of the RDXs work in a very similar manner. The first way that you can fold the rear seats down is using these levers over here. So I'm actually in the trunk, and on either side there's the levers, and either lever on either side controls either portion of the seats. You can see we have 2/3 on this left side and then 1/3 on this right side. If I pull this lever, just like that, pull it nicely, and that folds down. If I pull this lever, just like this, pull it nice and tightly, that folds down. Now, alternatively, if I go into the back over here and open this up, and if I lift one of the seats back up and I lock it in place, you'll see that there's actually another way to fold down the rear seats, and that's using this right here. So in the rear seat area, in the back of the vehicle, there's a lever right here. You want to pull on that, and there's a springing motion that automatically will allow the seat to fold down. Really cool. And then you can see that it's unlocked because of that little red part there. Watch when I lock it back in place. So you can see now it disappears, it folds back. So you know whether or not the seat is locked in place, and that is a huge plus. So once again, I can just pull this, and there's a springing motion that pulls it down like that. You can lock it back in place just like that. That's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Sorry about that. We're going to try that again because I was a little bit out of breath when I was lifting that up. I think I messed up the ending, and I don't know if I locked this in place. Yeah, it is locked in place. So that's it. I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.